Most people use ChatGPT to ask simple question, but today, I'll show you 5 mind-blowing ChatGPT tricks that will make you feel like you unlocked a secret level of the internet. Let's jump right in. Watch full video and comment which trick you like. Trick number 1. Instant rewrite. Have text you want improved. Just paste anything, a paragraph, an email, a caption, and type rewrite this in 3 different styles. Trick number 2. YouTube to note shortcut. Too busy to watch a long video? Just paste a YouTube link and say, summarize this video into bullet point notes. Trick number 3. Personal coach mode. Need motivation? Feeling stuck? Type this, motivate me like a personal coach for 30 seconds. You'll get a short, powerful speech that actually boosts your energy. Use it before studying, working, or training. Trick number 4. Ultimate image prompt. Want better AI images? Ask ChatGPT. Create the perfect photo. Trick number 5. Fast learning mode. Trying to learn something new? Ask anything you want. Thank you for watching.